sweetheart. We camped out overnight. We're about ready to get going. So, saddle them up. Got a hell of a day ahead of us. We were able to get a small squirrel last night, some protein in us. Maverick brought along a old breakdown 1022 survival rifle. Out here, you know, a small 22, it's a lifesaver. Doesn't take much, you know. Hell, I've dropped, you know, full-grown elk, you know, anywhere to getting fish with it. So there it is. Get going.
See something? Yep, here he goes with the bird calls. It's always been a surefire way to get a meal, as long as I've known Sparrow. I've seen this man have bird come right down, land on his foot. Why do you think the Native Americans gave him this nickname? Yep.
Sounds like we've got some of my brethren in the tree up here. Small bird. Could be a small meal.